Welcome to Wild Souls, a cinematic journey through the enigmatic and spirited landscapes of India. Here, every path leads to a new discovery, and every corner tells a story steeped in millennia of tradition and vibrant culture. As the sun rises over the vast horizons and sets behind ancient silhouettes, prepare to embark on an unforgettable adventure. From the majestic peaks of the Himalayas to the lush greens of the Western Ghats, from bustling cityscapes to tranquil rural vistas, India invites you to experience a world where the past and present coexist in mesmerizing harmony. Join us as we unfold the stories of a land where every journey is an epic and every moment is a brush with the extraordinary. Get ready to explore the heart of India. Embark on a journey through India, a land of vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes. This adventure takes us to 10 spectacular places, each a testament to India's rich tapestry of history, culture, and undisturbed natural beauty. From the architectural grandeur of the Taj Mahal to the serene backwaters of Kerala and the spiritual depths of Varanasi, every destination weaves its own unique story. Prepare to discover the soul of India, one incredible destination at a time. First, we visit the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra, a monument of love that captivates hearts worldwide. Nestled on the southern bank of the Yamuna River, the Taj Mahal's story begins with a poignant tale of love and loss. It was commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died during childbirth. This architectural masterpiece was not just a mausoleum to house his queen's remains, but also a symbol of eternal love. The Taj Mahal's grandeur is undeniable. Crafted from ivory white marble, it appears to change color with the rising and setting sun, glowing warmly at dawn and appearing milky white under the moonlight. The complex, symmetrical structures, intricate carvings, and calligraphic inscriptions add to its breathtaking beauty. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors each year, all drawn to its magnificent beauty and the romantic story it symbolizes. The Taj Mahal, more than just a marvel, is a heartfelt tribute that stands testament to eternal love. Next, we delve into the spiritual depths of Varanasi, one of the world's oldest inhabited cities. Here, the sacred Ganges River flows, a lifeline steeped in mythology and spirituality. This river, believed to be a goddess herself, draws millions seeking purification and liberation. In Varanasi, the Ghats, a series of steps leading to the river, are not just stone and mortar, they are the stages of life and death. Each day, these Ghats witness the profound rituals of birth and cremation, encapsulating the eternal cycle that defines Hindu philosophy. As the sun sets, the Ghats transform. The air fills with the resonant chants and the rhythmic clang of temple bells during the evening arti. This ritual, an offering of fire, is a spectacle of devotion, with priests moving in powerful synchronized grace and lamps illuminating the twilight. The city itself buzzes with a vibrant culture, its narrow lanes brimming with stories of mystics, poets, and philosophers. Varanasi isn't just a city, it's an experience, a dip into the spiritual fervor of India. We then ride to Rajasthan, where palaces and forts narrate tales of a regal past. In the heart of this vibrant state lies Jaipur, home to the majestic Amber Fort. Perched on a hill, its grand red sandstone and marble structures glow warmly under the sun. This formidable fortress, with its opulent courtyards and intricate mirrorwork, whispers stories of the valorous Rajput kings who once roamed these halls. A little farther, Udaipur beckons with its serene lake palace. Emerging ethereally from the misty waters of Lake Pichola, this white marble marvel was once the summer retreat of royalty. Its walls, adorned with delicate carvings and rich decorations, reflect the sophisticated craftsmanship of the Mewar dynasty. The air in Rajasthan is thick with the aroma of spicy Rajasthani cuisine and the vibrant colors of its festivals, like the flamboyant Pushkar Camel Fair. Every corner tells a story, every dish a poem of flavors. Rajasthan, with its regal aura, continues to charm and enchant its visitors. Moving south, Kerala's serene backwaters invite us to unwind in nature's lap. Imagine gliding through a network of tranquil lakes and shimmering lagoons aboard a traditional houseboat. These vessels, once used for transporting rice and spices, now serve as floating homes, offering a unique perspective of this verdant paradise. As your boat meanders under the shade of towering palm trees, the gentle lapping of water against its hull becomes a rhythmic lullaby. Along the banks, life unfolds in vibrant bursts. Fishermen cast their nets with age-old precision, while children splash joyfully in the cool waters. Women in bright saris gather by the water's edge, their laughter mingling with the calls of exotic birds. The cuisine here is a revelation as well. Freshly caught fish cooked with local spices and served on banana leaves, an authentic taste of Kerala's rich culinary heritage. Every moment spent here is a soothing balm for the weary spirit, the lush green landscapes enveloping you in their peaceful embrace. Kerala's backwaters, a tranquil retreat that rejuvenates the soul. Our adventure takes us next to Mumbai, the city that never sleeps. This vibrant metropolis is a dazzling blend of modernity and tradition, where the glitz of Bollywood meets the historic elegance of the Gateway of India. Here, the air is infused with the aroma of street food, vada pav, pav bhaji, and belpuri, each dish telling a story of Mumbai's rich cultural tapestry. Wander through the bustling markets where the kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and scents overwhelms the senses. The chatter of vendors, the clang of metal, and the sizzle of street food create a symphony that defines the daily rhythm of the city. The spirit of Mumbai's people is unyielding. Their dreams are as vast as the ocean that hugs the city's shores. Life here moves at a relentless pace, yet there's a harmony in the chaos, a rhythm in the rush. Mumbai, a melting pot of dreams and traditions, always on the move. We ascend to the mesmerizing heights of Ladakh, a paradise for adventurers. Perched high in the Indian Himalayas, this region offers more than just a visual feast. Here, the dramatic landscapes unfold like a canvas painted with rugged mountains, stark plateaus, and dynamic skies. Imagine the serenity of Pangong Lake, its azure waters a stark contrast against the arid terrain, reflecting the vast, unblemished skies above. This high-altitude lake, stretching across borders, is a sight that calms the soul and sparks the imagination. In Ladakh, the pulse of Tibetan Buddhism beats strongly. Monasteries perched on rocky outcrops oversee the valleys. During monastic festivals, these spiritual havens come alive with vibrant dances and the rhythmic beats of drums, celebrating centuries-old traditions that resonate deeply with both locals and travelers. For the thrill seekers, Ladakh's winding roads offer exhilarating bike rides that promise an adventure of a lifetime, cruising through some of the most breathtaking scenery on Earth. Ladakh, a land where nature and spirituality elevate your spirit. Journeying east, Kolkata's cultural tapestry awaits to tell its glorious tales. Nestled on the banks of the river Hooghly, this city, once the capital of British India, is a canvas of colonial architecture. From the grandiose Victoria Memorial to the stately Writers' Building, each structure whispers stories of a bygone era. As autumn arrives, the city transforms with the fervor of Durga Puja. The streets burst into life with elaborate decorations, rhythmic drum beats, and the collective spirit of celebration. It's not just a festival. It's a grand artistic showcase that unites the city in its rich cultural heritage. Kolkata is also celebrated as the intellectual and artistic hub of India. It has birthed some of the nation's most revered poets, filmmakers, and thinkers. Walking through the city, one is never too far from a poetry reading or an impromptu gathering of artists. Crossing the iconic Howrah Bridge, an engineering marvel itself, feels like moving through a portal in time. Kolkata, a city that proudly wears its history and culture on its sleeve. Next, we soak in the sun at the enchanting beaches of Goa. Imagine a coastline blessed with pristine sand and the rhythmic dance of turquoise waves. Goa's beaches, from the bustling Baga to the serene Palolem, offer a slice of paradise for every soul. These shores aren't just about the sunbathing and swimming. They're canvases of cultural expression, where the old Portuguese influence whispers through the architecture and the spice-laden breeze. Strolling through the streets, one can see the vibrant hues of history in every corner. Whitewashed churches stand proudly, their Baroque architecture a testament to a bygone era that still echoes today. As the sun sets, the tempo changes. The nightlife of Goa pulsates with energy, with music and laughter spilling out from the beach shacks. For the adventurous, the waters offer more than just tranquility. Jet skiing, parasailing, and windsurfing are exhilarating ways to experience the Arabian Sea. And let's not forget the seafood, fresh, flavorful, and perfectly paired with the local spirit, Feni. Goa, a perfect blend of sun, sea, and sand. Finally, we explore the architectural marvels of Tamil Nadu, a region steeped in history and adorned with intricate temples and structures. From the towering gopurams of Madurai's Meenakshi Temple to the grand stone carvings of Mahabalipuram, each site tells a story of artistic and spiritual devotion. These architectural wonders not only showcase the unique Dravidian style, but also reflect the deep-rooted cultural heritage of Tamil Nadu. As we conclude our journey, the enduring beauty of Tamil Nadu's architecture leaves a lasting impression, inviting us to delve deeper into its rich history.